All right, y'all, we live, baby. We live. I'm seeing something I'm like coming in the market already. I'm seeing that we taking out all the liquidity from sell side, and now we're reversing towards this upside. I still want to be patient and wait and see like what really is going on. But I think I see something that I like. Before I take a long, I kind of do want to see some type of displacement or some type of I want to see some type of displacement above these highs if I am going to take a long, because we did manipulate to the downside already twice. So I want to see some displacement, and then I know our liquidity is going to be towards London's highs. Hopefully, right? I know what I'm looking for. It's looking like we're gonna be getting real no news Monday price action. So on some real shit, I'm really kind of frantic right now. I'm slick having a panic attack, and I slick want to just get out the trade. But I'm gonna get in right here. I'm gonna get in just because of how we reacting off of that unfair value gap. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. 15. I'm gonna risk. I'm gonna risk about 600. No, I'm gonna do 10 contracts at 50 points. Yeah, I'm gonna do 10 contracts if we get above that level because we already got London's lows. We're filling in this fair value gap, right? We got our displacement right here. I see what I see, and I know I see what I see. There's no reason for me to act like I don't see what I see, right? Liquidity sweep, bullish displacement. We got our manipulation right here, and we got a valid break and retest of a key level fair value gap. I'm getting in with 10 contracts if we break above this high. 9:45. I'm getting in. I'm live. I'm live. Risk on. Risk on. I don't care. I'm not moving my stop. I'm locked in. Now we wait. Now we wait. I'm assuming that my draw on liquidity is going to be at London's highs right here. I'm going to wait for this to get hit. I see everything I need. I see my runner sweep on liquidity. I see my bullish displacement. I see my fair value gap break and retest. And I see my market structure shift towards the upside. I see my, yep. So this is my system. This is my strategy. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Either way it go, I'm not tripping. I'm gonna follow my rules and do what I know I'm supposed to do. My setup is right here and it's present. All I gotta do is just let the probabilities play out and get the fuck out my head. That's it. I got my bullish fair value gap breaking retest. I know everything is here. Fuck. Right? We came out this opening gap. We retested it. We retested yesterday's high. We broke above that. Now I want to see us get above this and take the liquidity out at London's highs for a good 1 and 2. Not even a whole 1 and 2. Right? Yeah, good 1 and 2. 55, 60 points, and we get on out of there. We get on out of there. I see we running into a supply, so I'm expecting some resistance right here. But being that, listen, no news Monday, so I'm definitely gonna take my L with grace if I do take one. Just understanding that probabilities, the conditions ain't really the best right now, right? I'm cool with losing 500 on this move. I'm cool. I'm completely cool with losing 550 on this move, not because like it's a beautiful setup that we're looking at right now. We just trading into a supply. That's the only thing that got me like, But our EMAs, ooh shit, our EMAs are kind of above. Yeesh. I'm just gonna set the $500 risk, and if we lose, we just lose. Like no cap. This setup is really really beautiful. Let me look at the hourly chart. Yeah, look at how we getting this wick, but hourly structure is kind of bearish. So let me see. Yeah, we getting a nice bearish reaction out of this supply area. So I'm kind of like, I kind of want to cut my trade losses in half just because of that. But we also have already manipulated on the downside, and London was already bearish. We already took out the liquidity from London's lows. So I'm thinking that I just want to hold this. There's our bullish fair value gap right there. How do we react off of this fair value gap? That's the question. If this trade is a loss, I'm so cool with the loss, bro. It's a beautiful setup. Right at the beginning of the macro, we trading the beginning of the macro aggressively just because we know it's a no news Monday and we don't have no news. So we just gonna go ahead and just we're gonna run with our move, bro. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna run with our move. See, this bullish candle already on a 1 minute, it already closed above that supply, so I'm not necessarily worried about it reversing too much. I still think that we should get towards London time. Oh my God, what in the fuck was that? What in the fuck was that? Nasdaq. What in the fuck was that? And why the fuck didn't I get stopped out? What the fuck was that? And why didn't I get stopped out? This that shit with these markets. Just that shit. What the fuck was that? Like, what in the fuck was that? Let me go to my trade evade and do my max loss limit. I don't know what the fuck that was. I'm cool on looking at the trade. That manipulation was a motherfucker right there. That manipulation was a motherfucker, bro. Okay. That was some motherfucking manipulation. Like, what the fuck? This that no news Monday shit. I'm about to cut my stops in half, bro. I'm about to put my stops right here now. Cause after that manipulation, we ain't even got no reason to go below this. If we go below this, I know we're going toward the downside. Yeah. That's why I hate getting in on a displacement. That's why I always like waiting on a break and retest of the fair value gap, bro. That's literally why, right there. That is literally why. Cause we already manipulated at all these lows, and we still not going toward. Like it's like, bro, let's go towards this upside, bro. Like, what are we doing right now? I ain't even gonna scale in, bro. I just want this shit to work. I'm not gonna scale in nothing. Look at this no news Monday, yo. This shit is disgustingly wicking, bro. This shit is wicking disgustingly. Like, what the fuck? I don't like how price is moving. And I'm not saying that we won't reach our target, but like these wicks in this area is concerning me. They really are. Cause like it don't want to go up. It's a no news Monday, yo. What the fuck did I even expect? I should have expected this shit from a no news Monday. But let me turn my resettings up right now, bro. A ban today, bro. Let me just go ahead. Trade looking good so far. I wanted to scale in and get a little bit more profit, but considering what we got risking on the table, we risking like five something to get 12 something. I'm being content. I'm gonna be content right here. That manipulation was a motherfucker. I'm not gonna lie. That manipulation right there was a motherfucker, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm still assuming that the draw on liquidity is towards London's high, so I'm not gonna close the trade. It's looking like we're getting a lot of rejection from that area, bro. So I think I'm getting out of this trade. I just don't like how we getting so much resistance at this supply level. If I don't close it, I'm just gonna put my stops like right here. It's not making no sense to me for real. Why? I mean, besides it being a no news Monday, right? I'd rather just play it safe. But at the same time, on God, I'm tired of jumping in and out of trades and there always being some bullshit, bro. I'm so sick of that. I'm so sick of that. 'Cause every time I jump in and out of trades, that shit always wind up working out, bro. So I really think I just need, if this is a loss, I really think I just need to go ahead and take it. Like, if this is a losing trade, like, let me just move my stops to 15 points. That's appropriate finesse. I don't feel like my stops need to be all the way at 30 points no more because after we already broke the structure to the upside, right, and we got all of this displacement off of it with the break and retest of the fair value gaps, like all of our setup is already lined up. So if we get below these levels of manipulation, then obviously our draw on liquidity has changed and we're seeking liquidity at the downside, right? So that's why I'm cutting my stops in half at this particular moment because we've already went too far up to the top. We've already made our like move towards my draw on liquidity already. We've already pushed towards the upside. So if I start seeing it come back down from right there, then I already know what's good. We got the 10 o'clock candle opening in 3 minutes, and that's really gonna let us know what's really going on. Hourly structure looks bearish as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Hourly structure definitely is looking bearish as hell. But I can't ignore the bullish reaction that we're getting out of this gap. You feel me? It may have went all the way to where it's gonna go already. I'm not sure. I'm really, really working on sitting in my trade. I'm seeing a lot of bearish. I'm seeing a lot of shit that's making me be like, all right, I need to get out of this trade, but I'm not going to because my draw on liquidity is at London's highs, bro. My draw on liquidity is at London's highs. If this trade don't work out, it's cool. It's a no news Monday. I completely understand why. I got a 15-point stop loss, meaning that I'm only gonna lose. If I do lose this trade, I'm only down 300 to make 1260. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I need to chill out. I need to just chill and let the trade play out. I done did this shit a million times. I know it's good. I'm sorry, back up. You already used the bathroom. I need you to let the trade run. Just let it run. Don't move shit. You move your stop loss like this good. You in position. Price been wicking and moving funky and funny as hell because it's a no news Monday. But we know what we see. We know we see our liquidity run on its lows. We know we see our market structure shift right here. We know we see this all this manipulation from right here, right? We know we got buy side sitting right here. We know we got buy side sitting at these external highs as well. Let it run. Let it run. I'm not gonna look at profit. I just want to see if the trade is gonna do what I back tested it to do. That's all I want to know right now. It's looking good so far. I'm not getting too happy. I'm just whatever. But it's looking good so far. This is an A plus setup. So if I lose the 300 on this, it's cool. I ain't even trying to break even, none of that bullshit. Like this motherfucking trade come all the way back down here after all this movement. Man, I'm gonna find me some weed to smoke and move on with my damn day. Cause I ain't got time to be stressed out about this. I'm not finna sit up here and argue and play around with no bitch all day. I'm not playing around with no bitch. If the bitch acting like she don't want to get with the program, fuck her. I'll deal with her on another day. Dead ass. I ain't doing that today, bro. I ain't over trading. I'm not over leveraging. I'm gonna let the probabilities play out. From what it's looking like, we may be getting London's highs from what I'm seeing. It's looking pretty good. We need to break above these. I want to see us. There we go. Get a good push above. Yes. Check out this liquidity. I may not hold all the way to up here because I'm feeling myself getting a little tense, but I know for sure right there is a good exit point. I know that for sure. And you'll still have your $1,000 profit, which is all we really need. Ban the day, keep your job away. I only really want 60 points today. I don't care about catching the whole. I just want my 1 or 2. Give me my 60. I'm cool. 1,200. I can do that shit for another 6 days consistently. I'll reach my profit target and I won't be broke no more. Hold this trade. Now, once we hit our 1-to-1, at that point, I could move my stops to break even. But I hate break even, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's not that I'm cool with losing money. It's just that I be trying to get used to the fact that you're gonna lose money, and I feel like putting your shit at break even when you're in the learning stages of still trying to like just accept the nature of the game. I feel like it kind of puts you into a mindset of trying to avoid losses or avoid taking the L or avoid your account being in the red. For me, I think long term it's more of a hindrance than a help because it makes me want to micromanage so much versus me having a more hands-off approach and just cutting my stops in half. And it's like, okay, I'm accepting that my trade was in the green. It was looking like it was gonna work out, and today it turned against me. And instead of taking a full loss, I just took half a loss. I feel like that's more productive for where I'm at in my trading journey than just moving them completely to break even. I don't know. Part of me just really want to get out at a 1 to 1 with because I know it's Monday and the hourly structure definitely does look bearish. So part of me kind of want to just get out right here. But then again, we still got London's highs to get. London's lows already swept, so I don't know. On a day like today, though, on a no news Monday, I think it's a day that I wouldn't mind considering going break even, just because like price not moving right now. Like if we break below this, then okay, if we break below this structure right here, then I'm like, all right, we probably can go break even because this trade probably not going. I'm trying not to even look at the money because I know it's not about the money. It's about me real deal being disciplined. I know it's about me being disciplined. So I'm really just trying to, you know what I'm saying, work on that. Like I'm seeing we was just in the green. I know I could have took profit. I know I could have. I see price reversing. That's cool. I see it. That's cool. I'm trying to really accept the nature of this game. No bullshit. It's after 10 o'clock. I got 17 minutes left. 17 minutes left to just hold it down. Hold it down. At 10:20, I'm closing the charts. I'm glad I came to the market today. I saw my move. I was aggressive with my move. I took my move. I see we got all this manipulation and tried to stop me out. I don't know how the fuck I didn't get stopped out by that manipulation, but that's cool as well. Like I'm proud of my performance today, and I feel like whether I close today in red or in green, I'm cool. I took one trade. I was confident in it. I showed up. Like I don't need to fuck up the rest of my day over these small 35 minutes. You know, that's what I'm trying to tell myself. I'm not reacting to every simple movement. That manipulation definitely almost put me on the tilt. But the fact that the market didn't take me out, it was just like I guess whatever blessing. So yeah, I think I am gonna go break even, bro. Just because I saw a price come into a bearish fair value gap and we getting all this displacement. So I don't know. I want to see this candle. This is the opening of 5 minute candle. I want to see this go toward the upside. I want to see this candle, this new candle. I want to see this start flipping and breaking these highs because that's gonna let me know that we really bullish. But I don't want to see no chop. I don't want to see no chop. London session went straight down, and at New York opening, we pretty much took out the lows. So I want to see the rest of this. I want to see this recover and take out the highs. That's what I want to see. And it's looking like price. You see that we started opening that new 5 minute candle. It's looking like price is starting to give us our bullish displacement that we wanted, that we looking for. Right? I already knew if we started seeking below this swing on this 5 minute candle, then we pretty much was gonna be cooked. It's looking like we still reversing. Let's just see. Let's just see. 15 minutes left. What do we do at this bullish fair value gap on a 1 minute? I want to see is touch it and go. Cause now I'm just starting to see too much bearish structure look like it want to be formed. And this is just choppy, 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 choppy. We got equal highs right here. I don't want to see nothing get below this candle. I really don't. What's wrong, Zari? What's wrong? Just sitting and watching, y'all. Just sitting and watching, not reacting to everything. Just letting the market do what it do. It's 10:06. I got 14 minutes. No news Monday. No news Monday is literally mental chess. I was gonna take the easy way out and just not show up to the market or not trade at all. and protect my capital. But I think I'm in a space in my trading career where I need to feel this shit for what it is. It's a contact sport. I can hit on a no news Monday, and on a day I do everything right with news and volatility in the market, I can still lose money. So in my mindset, it's just like, what the fuck is the point in running away from the risk? I'm facing this shit every day. Every day I get up and I'm risking money. Every day I have a possibility of losing money, whether probabilities is in my favor or not. So it's just like, just show up any fucking way, regardless of the outcome. Just fucking show up. Like, I had a beautiful trade. I have a beautiful setup going on right now. Will it work? Maybe, maybe not. But I'm so glad that I did not run away from the markets today. I'm glad I didn't run away from my anxiety, my fear, my insecurity, my self doubt. I didn't run away from none of that shit today. Even on a no news Monday, I still showed up and I executed my edge. So it's like, we good, we cool. I hope the market don't do no dumb shit because it's been on some wonky, stupid shit the whole morning. No cap. It really has been. It's really been on some wonky shit. I know y'all can see me moving around it because I'm trying so bad to just not touch nothing. I'm trying so bad to not fuck shit up. I'm just trying to just get better. You know what I'm saying? Emotionally, mentally, just performance wise. I'm trying to just get better. I see we got London's high sitting right at some type of supply area where some resistance could be holding up. So that's a great target for me to start scaling out at. But look, every time we get to our 1 to 1, price starts rejecting, and I don't know why. I don't know why. So should I move my stops to break even right now? I think I probably should, just for the mental capital. But I don't know how much I'm up in profit, and me not knowing how much I'm up in profit is so beneficial. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even right here, yo. Cause we should have definitely When we get below this, I'm just gonna move my stops to break even and accept that it was a no news Monday today. No cap. This is a good trade. I'm gonna focus here for 10 more minutes, yo. 10, 20. And after that, I'm just gonna move my stops to break even and accept my fate for the day. I got to. I got to. Cause I see I'm riled up right now, y'all. I'm riled up. I got like 10 more minutes in me of just sitting here, and then I gotta go do something. I gotta go do something. I can't just keep watching this shit. I can feel me fucking some shit up. I really want to take profit right now and just leave. Like I really do, but that's not helping me. And I don't need to see how much I'm in profit because it's gonna make me want to close. I need to stick to the script. I need to forget about the money. Hey, hey, chill, chill out. Part of me want to take some of this off. I'm not gonna lie, just because I'm seeing how we reacting to some equal highs, and I don't fucking like it. I'm up 415. Should I just close, bro? Let me see how we react right here. Something's telling me to just close this shit. I swear to God, something telling me to close it. EMAs is above. Like something's telling me to just close this trade, bro. Yeah, something's telling me to close it. I think I'm gonna close it at break even. If we don't start getting bullish displacement for the upside, I'm just gonna close that break even. Cause this 15-minute structure is looking bearish too. Everything looking bearish, but I know we got liquidity right here at London's highs. But to protect my mental on this no news Monday, no bullshit, I'm gonna close that break even so I could go on to Tuesday and it feel like, oh, it's a fresh week. Fresh week. I don't see this trade. If this candle, if this next candle is not bullish, I don't know. I don't know. Don't know. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm about to. If we get a bet, I'm getting out. If this don't push through that, I'm gonna get out because I see what's going on. Okay, break out of that. Break out of that. Inverse is bearish fair value gap, so I know we still bullish. If we don't inverse it, if we respect it, then I know what's going on. I know we bearish if we get that reaction off of the fair value gap. Because we swept by side right here. We got a market structure shift to the downside. We got bearish displacement, and now we're getting our break and retest on this bearish fair value gap. Zari, chill. I need you to chill right now, Zari, okay? Now, even though I see a bearish setup, and I kind of do, if it looks like it's working out, I do want to jump in. I feel like where I'm at mentally, I don't need to because this is the setup that I saw during my like official macro. This the one I want to see work out, and yeah, that's why I don't like moving my stops to break even on the Nasdaq because they just manipulate so fucking much. They manipulate so much, so you just never know. It may manipulate to break even and then push up. We did we did get a reaction that I like out of that bearish fair value gap. We really are pushing through it, but that doesn't mean that it won't still come back down and go towards the downside. I'm just waiting. Zari, Zari, I need to see this. I need to see a good push right here. If I don't see a good push right here, if I see too much bearish reaction right here, I may just close the trade and just come back tomorrow because it's starting to stress me out a little bit, and I'm just like irritated. Cause what the fuck? We did get out 1-1 though. I can't say we didn't get out 1-1. We got a 1-1 and we definitely got a 1-2. I should have seen that and just known it was Monday and probably got out with my little, you know what I'm saying? But it's cool. It's cool. I think this trade is gonna start reversing, and I may if we get back down to break even, I'm just gonna get out. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna even take the $300 loss because what the fuck is really going on right now? I'm gonna just accept. I'm gonna accept not even a break even, literally a small loss, if so. But I see we took out all of this sell side liquidity on a 1 minute, and it's looking like we got. It's looking like we could go, and this trade could play out, bro. It's looking like it. It's looking like we just went into retest. Damn, this trade. This trade stressing me out, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. I hate sitting in my trades this long. I like my shit to just go. But this is real day one me working on my trading, bro. Because I could have closed out at the 1-1. I could have done so much stuff to just have some money in my pocket right now. But I'm proud of me because I'm really working on sitting here through the whole macro and just letting shit play out. I just feel like I feel like we need to go ahead and hit this draw and liquidity. But I know a lot of the times that shit don't really. When we got a slow macro, that shit really don't start hitting until like 10:20 or 10:30, until after the macro, and that shit be so weird. That shit be so weird, bro. Cause you would expect shit to just go during the macro, but it is some days where the macro is actually slow as fuck, and it don't start picking up until like after 10:20, after 10:30. That shit be blowing me. But trading is one of them things. It's just like it's stressful as fuck because there's no certainty. The only certainty you got is in your discipline. Like right now, my discipline is just telling me to just let this shit run. So whatever happened, it's just like whatever happened, I was disciplined today. I gotta be content with my discipline. Not with my profits. I gotta be content with my discipline and my performance. And right now, I know y'all see I'm drained. I am drained. This uncertainty got me drained, and I want to close my trade so bad, but I feel like that is not gonna be doing me no justice, not at all, in the long term. I need to learn how to take L's, bro. I gotta learn how to take L's. But based on what I'm seeing with price action, I don't want to see price come below this displacement candle, bro, because it's like it's everything is showing by. We took out all this liquidity and we reacting good off of this level, right? A level with equal lows, right? We reacting super good off of it. I see we got a retest at this entry. I got in on a displacement, but We got to retest. They want us to give buyers or whoever another chance to re-enter a 1009 entry, and then I think we still gonna take out London's highs, bro. I think we still got a good shot to take out London's highs. I don't know when. Market conditions are obviously against us right now, but I think we can still get to London's highs. It's just about when, though. Mm. We right here at a supply. Right here at a supply, yo. I think I'm gonna close. I got 3 minutes left. Chat. Stops at break even and just let my trade run, or close the trade and just enjoy the peace for the rest of my day. I'm only up 300. That's not. It's not nothing too. It's not nothing too crazy to trip about, honestly. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work out during my macro. It's too much bearish structure right now. I think I need my stops to break even, bro. Let me, you know what? Let me take the stress off of myself. Move my stops to break even. Go on by my day. Go on by my day. I really don't want to put these bitches at break even, but I don't like all this resistance at this level, so it's just the smartest thing to do. Real shit, it's the smartest thing to do, especially with all this bearish momentum. We keep creating these bearish fair value gaps. We rejecting at these equal highs. It's looking like the market is about to push toward the downside. Most definitely looking like it's about to push toward the downside. So break even is really like the most safest thing for me to do. It's later in the macro. It's a no news Monday. I think I'm gonna bow out gracefully today and just detach. Like if this shit hit break even, I'm gonna bow out gracefully and detach. And I'm not even gonna take break even. I'm gonna be so particular. I'm gonna put it right here at this wick. We don't have no reason to go keep going toward the downside if we truly going up. We don't have no fucking reason, none whatsoever, bro. I'm gonna put my stops right there because I need to feel some type of loss today, bro. That's just me. I can't keep avoiding it. I'm gonna put my stops right there. That's like 3 pips. I'm not gonna avoid that. Price action is some dog shit today, but we knew that. We already knew that, and we were prepared for that shit mentally. We was prepared for that shit mentally. All right, y'all. It's 10:20. I think I'm gonna just literally find anything else to do. Come back to my chart and just see how the trade played out, and that's it. My trading day today, whether we win, lose, however this trade wound up, my trading day was good. Um, I feel like I moved my stops appropriately. I'm doing everything appropriate to what the market is showing me so far. I know we're accumulating right now. I know we may manipulate toward the downside and then distribute back toward the upside. Um, so the market just ain't give me what I want today. My bitch ain't show up for me today like how I want to hustle. I ain't finna keep sitting around playing with her because she gonna stress me out and I'm gonna be tweaking. And I ain't got no time to tweak out today. This is screaming bearish. This is screaming sell. This is screaming sell, bro. This is screaming sell, bro. I'm still not closing my trade. Oh God, I'ma let I'ma let whatever target get hit, bro. I promise you. I promise you, bro. Yeah, this the market about to sell off. The market definitely about to sell off.
Stop filled.
Okay, cool. That's one trade for the day. We only down 100. It's 10:21. It's no news Monday. I lost 100. I already knew price was going toward the downside. Price is moving choppy as fuck. I don't have to be in my feelings about what's going on right now, bro. I really don't. I need to just hold down. Cause now this is the setup I want, bro. But look at this shit. Price is disgusting right now. Price is disgusting right now. I don't know what the fuck price is on right now. Price is literally just doing shit. Like, what the fuck? I'm not breaking my trading rules today, man. I took one trade. I lost 100. Right now, everything in my fucking spirit wants me to overtrade. I swear to God, bro. Right now, everything in my spirit wants to overtrade. Everything wants me to break my rules and just jump in the trade right now. Even though I know I'm not supposed to. Something telling me, let's take another trade, bro. I'm down 100. She called me at the nick of time. What's up, Ty? Why are you smiling? What the fuck? You is shy. You shy as hell. What you smiling for? Yeah, like you seen your winning lottery ticket or something. And you ain't said nothing. Are you okay? Okay, I'm just making sure. What's up? Man, this some bullshit right now. I ain't gonna lie. Let me just go ahead and close the computer before I tweak out. What's wrong, Zari? What? Do you need to go outside? Zara, I should have gone ahead and take you outside. I took my loss, huh? I don't even need to keep looking at this shit, do I? What's up, Ty? What you got going? You been busy, huh? Get your life back together. What that mean? Huh? Man, fuck this shit. I need to go ahead and fucking leave, bro. Oh, God. You heard me? What you mean by get your life together? What? You were too fucked up? I know you weren't that fucked up now. Huh? Close the laptop, bro. Close the laptop. I feel myself in the tweak out. I need to smoke. I need to fucking smoke. Ty, you smoke? You said no. You don't smoke. You don't drink it. Well, I know you drink, but you don't smoke. Down. That's what's up. All right, Zara. I'm finna take you outside. Hold on. I'm coming. Oh. Yeah, the market just on some bullshit today, bro. Let me just leave this shit alone before I tweak out. Come on, sorry. I know what that sign mean. I already know. That mean get off the chart before you lose all your money. Come on. Be disciplined today. Cool. Huh? What she say? She was barking. I trade, bro. So this shit be having me fucking with these markets. That shit had your ass a little fucked up.